Hi, my name is Olivia Colby, and today I'm going to teach you how to grip a tennis racket. So what you'll need for this is a tennis racket, an over grip of your color choice, and a sticky, which should come with all grips that you buy. So here's a tennis racket. This is a Wilson. And the parts of a tennis racket are pretty simple. This is the face, the frame is the head, then there's the neck, and then this is the handle where you use an overgrip. Overgrips are used so that you have a better grip of the racket and your hand doesn't slip. So in order to put on an overgrip, first you find the end of the overgrip that is the thinnest. So there's a thick end that looks like this, and then a thin end that it angles off, and it's thin like this. The thin end has a little sticky part on the end that you can stick to the bottom of the racket, just like this, all around the end, wherever you'd like. So if you're a righty, you're going to wrap the grip around to the right. If you're a lefty, the grip's going to wrap around to the left in order for the best comfort when playing and natural. So all you do is hold the end of the grip, stick it there, and then you're going to pull and then just twist the racket with your left hand. All you just want to make sure is that you're pulling pretty tight so that there aren't any bumps or air bubbles in your grip. So you just pull, pull, pull. Over grips are meant to be changed every few weeks or every month, depending on how much you play. They just get dirty over time with sweat, and so they become less sticky and less grippy. So your hand will slip more often, and you won't have the best grip for your forehand or your backhand or any of your shots. So it's pretty simple. It will take a few tries at first in order to prevent any bubbles. As you can see, I'm just spinning my racket. You want to go over the previous grip, as you can see, like a little bit, so that it doesn't slip off. So you see how this grip ends right here. I'm still going to go a little bit above it so that it stays on for a while. And then once you get to the very end, or you hit the neck of the racket, you stop, grab your sticker, and then just put this over the top to hold it all in place. And this won't move anytime, but it will be easy to take off when you're ready to change your grip. So you just stick that on, feel it out, and there you go, you got a nicely gripped racket. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you learn how to grip your tennis racket.